Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see the Pratmik poem Balwan Banu. This is the second poem. So we'll go to the poem now. बलवान बनो तुम भारत माँ की शान बनो. Here the poet is asking us to become strong. He is asking us to become very strong. You become the pride of Bharat Mata. तुम वीर बनो बलवान बनो तुम बलशाली हनुमान बनो. You become a brave person. You become a strong person. You acquire the strength like Hanuman. We say Hanuman as the great Anjaneya. So he says, you must become brave and strong. We must acquire the strength like Hanuman, the great Anjaneya. धनवान बनो गुणवान बनो तुम ज्ञानी और महान बनो. You become a rich person. You become a good quality person. You become the qualities. You acquire the qualities of saint. You become a superior person. तुम धीर बनो गंभीर बनो तुम सभ्य सुशील सुजान बनो. Here the poet says you become brave, serious, straightforward and civilized person. He is asking us to be with good characters and also to become a good person. तुम राम बनो तुम श्याम बनो तुम वीर प्रताप समान बनो. So he is asking each one of us to become like a Ram, to each one of us to become like a Sham. Sham here is Lord Krishna, and he is asking us to become like Veer Pratap Singh. He was a very brave person, so he is asking us to become a brave person like Pratap Singh. The poet is asking us to become like a brave Pratap Singh. So this is the poem Balwan Bano. Next we will see Shabdat. That is the meanings. Shan majesty, Deer brave, Gambhir serious, Sabya civilized, Sushil good conduct, Sujan wise. In Abhyas, if you see exercise they have given, अपनी प्रांतीय भाषा में भावार्थ लिखिए. You can write in English or you can write in your own regional language. In English, we have seen already the poem description. In that, here they have taken the lines बलवान बनो तुम भारत माँ की शान बनो. तुम वीर बनो बलवान बनो तुम बलशाली हनुमान बनो. In this, the poet is encouraging us to be strong. He tells us, you become a strong person, you become the pride and majesty of Bharat Mata, you become brave and strong, you must acquire the strength like Hanuman, the great Anjaneya. The next one they have given the lines Dhanvan bano, Gunvan bano, tum yani और महान बनो. तुम धीर बनो गंभीर बनो तुम सभ्य सुशील सुजान बनो. So in this the contest these lines are taken from the poem Balwan Bano. The poet is motivating us to become a brave, serious, straightforward and civilized person. He is asking us to be with good characters. He is asking us to become a good person. So this is the poem Balwan Bano Pratmik, second poem. Thank you.